is my son. Ang laki na niya, no? Oo, 100 years old na rin po ito. Hi, baby.
Hi.
Can you say hi to them?
Hi.
Say good afternoon po.
Good afternoon po.
Ay! Can you say it in Australian accent? Good day, Mike.
Good day, mate.
Sabi niya kasi sa akin nung isang araw, Mommy, you know, I'm half British. I'm half British and half what?
American.
American. And what else? And Korean daw. Sabi ko, nasan yung Pilipino? No, but I'm Filipino. Diba? You're Filipino. Yes. You say thank you naman to PLDT, please.
Thank you.
Thank you, PLDT.
Thank you, PLDT.
Yeah. Oh, we love you daw, boo. You say, I love you too.
I love you too.
Ah! Thank you so much also to Robinson's marketing manager, Adrian Gonda. Gonda, tama ba? And PLDT Bulacan Zone Hebeo, Gina Pimentel, Liza Macapagal, Susan Roque, Romel Magpali. Ayan, thank you very much. And mamaya pa sa meet and greet, ang mga nanalo po ay si Ruthless Ruth, anong tawag dyan, _921, and Catherine _R3K, and A Sport Tan. Ayan. You wanna stay here? I'll sing. You don't want to stay? Can you sing? Ha? Later. Can you sing lang, one lang? Okay. Opera singer pala to, anak ko, hindi ko alam. Gana. Thank you so much, baby. Opera singer. Opera singer pala, hindi ko alam eh.